How's it going, guys? Tom from Diamond Eye Performance, and this is our 2017 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. Basically, the first thing that we like to do on these kind of trucks is we like to contact BDS suspension. They're basically our go-to for suspension on any of our rigs. Right now we've got a 6-inch coilover kit on this truck. Super happy with the performance. They're reliable, great ride. Couldn't be happier with everything that we get from BDS. An awesome set of Hostile Alpha wheels, riding on 37-inch Nitto trail grapplers. Moving on, we've got a set of hammerhead low-profile bumpers with Zilla LEDs, Yak Bomb Performance. We've got a Mega Warrior rack. We've got the Skyrise tent, great for all your overlanding, anything outdoors. What else we got? Snug top canopy. These guys are great. Reinforced top, best for adding your tent to the top, any heavy duty stuff you want to do to it. MGP caliper covers, make your wheels pop, everything sounds good, looks good. Amp research, you got your HD power steps, great for getting in and out of your rig when you lift your truck. So this year for the show, we decided we wanted to really try to do a practical build, something that we can drive to and from the shows. A lot of trucks out there you see around aren't really that practical, and this year we wanted something that we could really use, not only at the shows, but travel around, talk to dealers, events, and also enjoy the outdoor life. BDS really helps us get from A to B, either on-road or off-road.